Okay, so for this question, we said that this guy that his name starts with a D, it's a long name, Diphantos. Diphantos was a child for 1/6 of his life. This is the 1/6, tamam? After 112 more, he became a man. After 1/7 more, this is 1/7, he got married. And 5 years later, after 5 years, his son was born. Now, his son lived half as long as his life. So his son lived half of his life, 0.5x. Okay. And then died 4 years before his father. So once the son died, we still need more 4 years. So we added four here. This means what? This means that all of this is the life of Diphantus. Tamam? And we said that the life of Diphantus is x. So all of this equals to x. Tamam? Now we need to find x. We need to find his life. We add all of these, this, and this, because they have the same variable. And we add 5 and 4 together. 5 and 4 together will be 9. Tamam? Equals x. We add these here, x over 6, x over 12, x over 7, and x over 2 اللي هي half. تمام. So we add 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 اللي هي 1/12 plus 1 over 7th اللي هي 7th and 1 over 2 اللي هي half. تمام. And we will get 25 over 28. So 25 over 28. So we will get 25x هنا plus طبعا. Let's put it here. So it's going to be 25x over 28. تمام. هذه أول step. So I made an equation and then I simplified it. 28. تمام. Here. Good. After this, I'm gonna
Missed.
take this part. Yes, I'm with you.
Don't you have while adding fractions, don't you have to make the denominator the same? So like how did you
Yeah, I did it with a calculator. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 7. I did it fast in the calculator.
no, like don't you have to make the denominators the same? For example, like all of them, multiply all of them by like
Yes, the idea of
it's
making
just
the denominator the same will be choosing the lowest common multiple with them. So the lowest common multiple for all of the numbers in the denominator is going to be 28. Then 28 can be divided on 6, it can be divided on 12, it can be divided on 7, and it can be divided on 2. So it's the lowest common multiple for all of them. I used the calculator very fast, so it gave me 25 over 28. تمام. So you can do it using the lowest common multiple for all the four numbers. هي هذه 1 over 2 طبعا. Now after doing this, I'm gonna take this part هناخذ البارت هذا كله to the other side and I'm gonna change the sign. It's gonna be negative. تمام. It's gonna be negative 25 over 28. So 9 equals, I'm gonna do it like this. 9 equals x minus 25x تمام over 28 like this as a fraction تمام. Now this x here is 1. هذه 1. نقدر نقول له 1 minus 25 over 28 تمام. Can use a calculator here. So x 9 equals, so 1 minus 25 over 28, and the answer will be 3 over 28. So it's going to be 3x over 28. تمام. Focus on the steps. تمام. Okay. Now I need to put the x on one side, make the x the subject. معناها هناخد ال 28 because it's divided. I'm gonna take it to this side by multiplying. So 9 times 28. 9 times 28 equals 3x. تمام. And then 9 times 28. 28 times 9 is gonna be 252 equals 3x. And then to remove the 3, I'm gonna divide all sides by 3, like this. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So here, 3, here, 3. Tamam? 3 goes with the 3, like this. And then when you divide these, it will equal x equals 252 divide 3 is going to be 84. And this is the age of Diphantos. Tamam? And that's the idea of this question.